I'm back here out in the farm and I'm going to show you how to install a boot lock actuator on these PD 2017 to 2023 Hyundai I30s. Super easy job, guys. Go straight in, use a little screwdriver, pop it open. Obviously your electronic component's broken, your electronic part's broken, you won't be able to unlock it without going through. Use a screwdriver. There's a little portion in this video that'll show you how to do that. Other than that, guys, let's jump into it. Good news is it's not too big of a problem because it's just a Phillips head screw here, a Phillips head screw here. You undo both of those screws and then you can literally just grab it, pop it down. There's a few clips and whatnot. Be gentle with those clips, but other than that, guys, just grab this piece, pop it out of the way. Now, you can see you got two 10 mils here, and you pop over this side, unplug this plug, and that is it, guys. Now, to get this open, if the lock actuator on your 17 to 2023 PD I30 is broken, the only way to do it is go through this back door, through there, and use something like, you guys won't have all this stuff, so you'll be able to maybe lift this parcel tray out, bring all your seats down, climb through and basically pull that cover, which is, see that right there? That is where you can put a little screwdriver through and you just go like this and it pops open. Then obviously once you get it open, you can then grab, hopefully you've already ordered your Parts Factory one, because don't forget, anything we sell here at Parts Factory, or we do the tutorials on rather, we also sell them. They come with a 3-year warranty, so get it in your hand. I think that's $88, free express post anywhere in Australia. If you're international, yes, we send with FedEx. Two 10 mils. This will pop out, plug in your new one, cover back on. The cover goes in these two sections first, lining it up along the back here, and then you got those clips that run all along. You kind of got to grab it and push it, and then you go like this, pop it around, and then that would be job complete, guys. This is a simple and easy job, so I'm not going to do one of our full Parts Factory videos on it. That would just be a bit of a waste, wouldn't it? Because at the end of the day, guys, it's two 10 mil bolts. Alrighty, guys, thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Don't forget, if you need it, we have them available here. There's your part number. And thanks for watching. See you next time.